Hello, this is Colin Brazenbow, and this is a video about my buying crypto ads and the launch date. Today is the 9th of November, and I've just noticed that there's a launch countdown on my buying crypto ads of in 1 day and 43 minutes. So basically, tomorrow on the 10th of November we're launching at My Buying Crypto Ads. This is quite a surprise to me. Uday did tell us that it will be soon, but I was thinking in the next week or so, a week or two. Yeah, it's going to be in within 1 day. And yes, obviously, I want to get my. I still need to convert some of my rands and dollars into Bitcoin. Um, but yes, I'll have to do that sooner now. So um, yes, so I decided to um, uh, join my paying crypto ads because of the success that my paying ads had. My paying ads is a similar or the basically my paying crypto ads is a sister company of my paying ads. Here's my paying ads. It was launched more than 18 months ago. Um, and it's been going very strong. It's had payout of more than 18 million to members. There's more than 201,000 members, and I've had great success with my paying ads, and that's why I've decided to join my paying crypto ads. And the reason why these two programs is that my paying ads is more a dollar company, so the currency is dollars in my paying ads, but my paying crypto ads is a pure um, Bitcoin currency rev share. So um, what happened in my paying ads is that in my paying ads you could convert your dollars into Bitcoin, or you could buy Bitcoin in um, my paying ads, you could with your Bitcoin buy the ad packs, um, but the ad packs was priced in dollars, so you get paid out into Bitcoin again when you when the earnings have been paid out, but you still had the risk of the dollar Bitcoin exchange rate. So my paying crypto ads is much better in that sense that everything is in one currency and it's going to be easier to work out, and you can keep your money in bitcoins from the beginning to the end. So you buy ad packs in Bitcoin and you sell it again in Bitcoin, but you keep it in Bitcoin. And that gives us some diversification out of the dollar. um, I'm still going to keep on with my paying ads, so I've got some of my money in dollars then, and but some of my money will be in Bitcoin, and will just give me a little bit more exposure or diversify my investment in rev share companies. So I've got um, so I'll be invested in the dollar and in Bitcoin as a currency. So a lot of people say, but you cannot invest in Bitcoin. So I don't see it as an investment in Bitcoin. I just see it as a diversification of my of my of my currencies. Um, we're not allowed to say that RESHs are investments, but behind the scene, I see it as investment because I can see a return on my money. So anything that pays me, I see as an investment. As long as anything pays you, it's an investment. If you buy property and you earn from that, that's an investment. Anything that pays you, I see as an investment. So yes, and Bitcoin has been doing very well since it's launched. It's been sometimes been very volatile. I'll just go to CoinDesk, um, and you'll see that the price, I saw technical analysis yesterday that they predicted it will go down to 670, I think, but it did not. And I think it's because of the elections. It shot up this morning from 7. Let me just go to the detailed. It went up almost 4% today alone. Um, but that's after the elections of America, where Donald Trump is now being elected. So you can see it started at 708 and then it shot up to 737. I was actually hoping that it will stay at 700 or go down so that I can buy a Bitcoin at the lower price. So, because I've got to use my dollars and rands now to buy Bitcoins at a slightly higher price. But it just shows you that I'm not a Bitcoin trader. I'll rather just buy Bitcoin and then just keep it for the long term. Because this is a 1 day chart, but if you look at the 1 year chart, you can see the uptrend in Bitcoin. It started a year back on the 23rd of November. It was 323. Today, it's more than double that. So yeah, it's had a very strong run the last year. But if we go to the all-time chart, um, it started. Okay, this chart only goes to 2010, but it says 6 cents. It was 6 cents in 2010. So that was 6 years ago. So from 6 cents, it went up to 700. That is, I need a calculator to work that out, but that is a huge increase. Okay, it had this peak here in November 2013. That was when the first halving of the Bitcoin happened, and it halves every 4 years. So what the Bitcoin miners get, the price that, or the Bitcoins that they earn for the work that they've done, halves. It was 25, then it went down to 12. I think it's 12 now. Or it was 50, then it went to 25. Now it halved this year, it halved again. So it's only getting 12 and a half Bitcoins for every block that they process or block of transactions that they do. But there's only a limited number of Bitcoins, only 21 million. And that's why, because more and more people are using Bitcoin, the demand for Bitcoin is going up. So the price can only go up just purely because of the supply and demand. Um, the spikes that we see here is speculation because it's traded on the open market. You can buy and sell Bitcoins. Um, but the long-term trend is still up and going up and up. And because there's limited supply, like gold and silver, um, it can only become more and more expensive. So it's a good hedge against the dollar and a good hedge against any currency. Because as we know, all currencies are fiat currencies ever since 1972, when currencies were delinked from the value of gold. So at the moment, all currencies are backed by nothing, only trust. So um, I believe as more and more people start to trust Bitcoin, the value will just go up, and the trust in paper currencies is going down. And because we have something like inflation, the value of your the currency that you're in just goes down every year. So, and you can see that by the increase in prices of goods. The reason why things are getting more and more expensive at your store is because your currency, whatever you use, is getting less valuable. It's because of inflation. So the purchasing power of your currency is just going down and down. The money that you've got just going down in value. But with Bitcoin, it's going up. So now there's opportunity to convert your currency into Bitcoin, and from Bitcoin, your Bitcoin can make more Bitcoins. and you just keep the Bitcoins in Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet for as long as you want to. And these Bitcoin wallets that you can connect to a MasterCard, and then, or a Visa, and then you can withdraw that money in any currency wherever you are. So it just gives you more flexibility and more exposure to another currency in a much easier way. So, and with my paying crypto ads, they're going to pay you back 120% of whatever you spend on advertising. So it's an advertising platform where you share in the profits of the website. So my paying crypto ads is a advertising platform, or advertising website where you buy advertising, but you share in the revenue of the website. And what it works out at the moment is you're getting 120% back on your spend over 60 days. So it's basically plus minus two. It's not exactly, it varies, but it's basically 2% that you get back every day on whatever you spent on advertising, and it works out at 120% that you get back after plus minus 60 days. So if you work that back, it's about 10% per month return on your money, or return on investment. So that is excellent return. It is risky because it's just another company. Like any company or any business, it can go down, but at least within 60 days you can get all your money back. So that lowers the risk, and that's why also I like it much better than Bitcoin mining. Although Bitcoin mining is now the flavor of the month, or everybody goes into Bitcoin mining because it's exciting. Like any mining, it's exciting. But the problem with Bitcoin mining is that your initial investment you don't get back. They will tell you you'll get it back in machinery because you're basically buying machines or computers with that money. But the return, the break even is um, only in 12 to 15 months from now. Um, and then you're only in profit, whereby with my paying crypto ads, you get your money within 60 days, you get it back, plus so you get your return plus your money back within 60 days. So there's not many investment opportunities online that will give you that, and also return of plus minus 10% per month, and which is relatively safe if we compare it to the mother company, which is my paying crypto ad, sorry, my paying ads, which has been going on for 18 months now and still very strong. And I'm still invested in it, and also keep on investing in dollars in my paying ads. But I'll also diversify by buying ad packs in my paying crypto ads. So yes, I highly recommend you give my paying crypto ads a try. Initially it is tricky to get your money into Bitcoin. Not all countries allow you to convert from your credit card to Bitcoin. But there is other ways of doing it, and I can help you with that. If you join my team, then I'll help you to do that. I've got videos that will show you step by step how to convert your currency, whatever currency it is, into Bitcoin, and I'll show you how to do that via a trader in your country. And then I'll also show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet. You'll transfer from that trader to the Bitcoin wallet, and then from that Bitcoin wallet, or from my paying crypto ads, we will then pull the money from your wallet and then buy your ad packs, and your ad packs you'll be able to use for advertising, and then you'll be able to from there you'll be able to get a return on your investment, which is plus minus 10% net profit per month. So yes, if you've got any questions, please comment below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on my paying crypto ads. I'm here to help you to get started. I'm very excited about my Crypto ads. We've got 1 day to go. Yes, I'm going to get to work to get myself ready for the launch. But obviously, there's no rush. There's many days after tomorrow that we can still invest. Um, so, um, um, if you got, so yes, please join me at My Crypto ads. If this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. So we're looking forward to 10 of November for the launch of this exciting new RevShare company, My Crypto ads. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.